Hello guys, good morning all of you. I warmly welcome to all of you for today's session. So in today's session in Power BI, we are going to discuss about appending and merge query. Append query and merge query. So what is append basically and what is merge basically? So append means suppose I'm adding the file month wise like January, February, one after another one. So append always add the element end of the line basically. Okay. What about the merge query? Merge query basically we merge the data from two table based on the common attribute. I mean common column. Attribute known as a column, column known as a attribute. So very simple. I just go to my Excel workbook and I just go to my Power BI folder, Power Query function, appending files. So here you can see different file here, monthly sales file, CSV, single file. Okay. So I'm taking CSV file here. Okay. So this CSV file, let's open first and copy the path. Okay, dks ppt, open it, weekdays and Power BI. We have to open this pending CSV. So you can see I have CSV file. How many? Seven item. Let me show the data first, guys. Open it. So each of the file holding 10 data, as you can see here, 10 data. Okay, see. So 10 into 7, 70, right? So they're holding 10 data, each of the file. Okay, fine. So I will simple copy the path from here. I selected Control C copy and go to the Power BI, get data, more option, click here, and you have to simple double click on the folder, paste the path here. Okay. Here you can see the option combine. So combine and transform data, combine and load. So we have to do the transform because I have to take to Power Query. If you want to Power BI only, so take to the Power combine and load. So I will check combine and transform data. Click OK simple. Just wait for a moment. Scrolling now. Come to the Power Query. And here you can see how many data 70 rows. Did you see here, guys? Yeah. This is also taking alphabetical order. You can see April, August like this. Now I'm going to add another file here. Like suppose I copy this, Control C copy and paste one file here. March is not here. I just mentioned March. Enter. So how many element? 8. So what we have to do, go to the Power Query and here you can see simple refresh here. Go to preview, refresh. So you can see now 80 row. So once you add the file, the data always going to add end of the line. But it's take alphabetical order. You can see like March I added March 10, November. Okay. Clear. So this is where you can append the file. But next scenarios, like suppose in one workbook we have a different worksheets. Like here you can see the separate file, right? Another scenario. Let's go back. Here's a single file, as you can see here. Annual sales detail. Okay. So here you can see January, February, March, April, May, right? So you can see this is a different file. In the one workbook, we have different sheets. So how will merge this one? How we append this one? So in that case, we have to use the append query. Again, go back to the same Power Query, new source, Excel workbook, and go to the same appending second or single file, annual sales detail, select it. Just wait for a moment, it's loading now. So if situation come like this is quite tricky. See here how many file I want to append. I will choose, click on the checkbox like this and select it. Okay, evaluating now. So in that case, we are going to use the append query. You can see here append query, append it. So append this query to another query in this file and append query as a new. So append this query with the other query in this file to create a new queries. Okay. So I take append query. Here you can see concatenate row from two table into a single table. So I have more than two. So I will select three or more table. So now you can see you can add for your choice. See April, Feb, Jan. Suppose interviewers, I want for like first quarter, Jan to March. So you can add from here as you wish. Say any specific month. Click OK. So you can see this append now. So this is where you can use the append query. Next one, we move for the merge query. Okay. Again, I go back. Okay. Like here you can see, go back. And this one we done for monthly single file, merge query. I select this, open. Here two file transaction and master. Okay. So here we go for the merge query. So like as I told you guys, we have to take a common attribute like you can say employee code. Here you can also say master and transaction. We have to take it here transaction one. So here you can see left after join. Okay. So once you select say employee code in the master table, employee code in the transaction one table. Just a common in both. Select it. Okay. So now you can see just make a table here link. Just merge here. Once you click, you can see the data here. Okay. So this is where you can go for the merge query. So I hope you like it. Thank you so much.